Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share another journal with you. So this, I thought I was going to do a flip-flop journal, but I changed my mind and I'm doing the same as I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. This is an Eclectic, sorry I'm just moving the camera around. This is Eclectic style journal, and I made a pouch. I come across a video, you know when you're watching videos and there's still a bit of shadow in there, oh, it's rubbish, the lighting in this house. My shed was so much better. But anyway, I was watching a video, and you know when it just bounces onto other videos, and I just let it do that for quite a while today and actually found some interesting videos. Anyway, saw someone make something similar to this. Obviously mine's quite plain and simple. So I doubled over some like cream calico cotton material. Basically just stitched like an envelope pouch. I put some double bits of lace. This lace under here is sewn on and this one isn't. It just didn't look straight, so I just tried cutting it. There's a little bit I need to cut there, and then I just topped it with that. So the pouch measures, let me see, noisy today. The pouch measures like 9 3/4. 9 3/4, and it's that because obviously that's got to go inside it, so it'd be like that. Okay, so that's the pouch, and I haven't written anything down for this whatsoever. So it's 7.5 by 4. It has probably got 40 pages front and back. It will be listed in my KoFi Shop, free shipping today. Go over and check that out. I've got another one. Let me see if I can reach that. It is this one as well. I might make, in fact, I'm going to make one of these for this as well. So this one, called Shabby Vintage Rose, I'm going to make one of them. I'll do that actually when I come off, because it literally takes seconds to do that. That's free shipping. I'm keeping that free shipping today as well. So I'll put the link for that below as well. So here we go with this. My cat's meowing to get in. She's annoying today. Very annoying. She just wants to sit on my hands. Right, so you can see it's got a lot going on. There's flippy things going on. Book page pocket, tags here from ARTYmaze. Can't remember the name of the kit. This is Ruby and Pearl, little piece of lace. This is from ARTYmaze's freebie for June. I haven't actually done anything big with that yet, which I'm planning to. So that is that. This is ARTYmaze. The postcard is Tsunami Rose. Little tags I've made there from ARTYmaze papers and Ruby and Pearl images. Ruby and Pearl here, that is Ruby and Pearl, and some lace trim. We've got a little pocket there. This is, I done printing on both sides. I was always rubbish at doing that, but I'm getting the hang of it now. And we've got a pocket. There's some stitching going on. This is some Ruby and Pearl. This messed up. The ink was running down, so I chopped the bottom off and I've just kept it like that. Then this is, who's this from? I think this is from TaylorMadeJournals as well. There's some extra in there to play around with. Done some stenciling and, whoops, 2 tags. They're both from ARTYmaze. And a little bow in there. I'm rubbish at bows, but I do try. I do try my best. Little heart with a butterfly. This is Ruby and Pearl as well. The ledger there, the TaylorMadeJournals stenciling. That's a flip and a tuck. That's a freebie on my KoFi Shop if you want to check my freebie section out. And also I've got a digital section as well. That is from the old design shop. This is Ruby and Pearl, and that's just a pocket. And that is ARTYmaze's freebie for June. Can you believe we're in June already? Oh, it will soon be Christmas. Lace butterfly, little tuck here. Little pocket. That was another piece that... No, that other piece that I showed you didn't mess up. It was this piece that messed up. And I trimmed it off. Waste nothing. Little tag. love these stencils. Well, what I've been doing in my spare time, well, I have a great, well, when I say spare time, it's time when I should go to bed. I'm sitting playing with like a bit of mixed media. I'm not going to do any videos or anything of my process because it's something I struggle with, but it's something that I love. I love to watch other people do it. I love to see the outcome, and I've tried several times and failed. I've got a few books, and I think I've got one that I made myself. I've got one that me and ARTYmaze done a swap with, and I'm just scared to use them because of mess, especially the one from ARTYmaze. I'm scared to mess it up because I just am. I don't know like what my fear is, but I'm scared to mess these things up. But anyway, I've been playing. What I'll do is, if it is a success, that's ARTYmaze's freebie for June. Ruby and Pearl page there with the tuck freebie. If it's a success, which I'm hoping it will be, I've only done 10 pages folded in half. Was it? No, it was 5 pages folded in half to give me 20 sides, so that I haven't got a great big book that's overwhelming and puts me off. So that's how I'm doing mine. And I've been playing around with inks and paints and stencils and gel plates, and I forgot to put a tag in there. I'm always forgetting to do something. Let me see if I have one floating around. I normally do. Oh, my dogs are making noise now. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty. That's a freebie on my KoFi Shop, and I love that page. That's one of my favourite pages from Ruby and Pearl's kit. This is some ledger from TaylorMadeJournals. This is TaylorMadeJournals. Some lace trim on the pockets there. The cat's probably downstairs annoying the dog now. Postcard, tag. Yeah, the cat and the dog don't really get along that well. When I say the dog, I mean the new dog, Penny. She's a year old actually, and we've had her for about, well, obviously since she was about, I think it was 10 weeks we got her at, and she's crazy. And the cat gets on perfectly well with the other dog. And there's another little flip here with a tag. Ruby & Pearl image, butterfly, some embossed paper there, and that is that. You can journal one there. So that's the journal, and like I said, I'm going to make another one of them for the other journal. Yeah, cat and the dog, just the puppy and the cat don't get on, which is a shame, because the cat then comes and annoys me. The cat actually whacks the dog quite a few times. The dog gets battered around the head with her paws. So there we go. If you're interested in this, it will be listed below. I'll list the other one below, and I will put a little note on there that you get a fabric pouch with it as well. So yeah, and free shipping. Any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.